Welcome everyone. In this video we'll see the examples of plant kingdom and how to memorize them in an easy way. Kingdom Plantae is divided into 5 groups called Algae, Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Algae are further divided into 3 groups. The trick to memorize green algae is US has clean collages. U for Ulothrix, S for Spirogyra, V for Volvox, and C for Chara, and another C for Chlamydomonas. So US has very clean collages. With this we can memorize all the examples of green algae. Coming to brown algae, the code is self-defense. S for sargassum, E for ectocarpus, L for laminaria, and F for fucus, and D for dictyota. So sargassum, ectocarpus, laminaria, fucus, dictyota are examples for brown algae. Coming to red algae, the code is Pogo per gully gully. P for Polysiphonia, another P for Porphyra, G for Gracilaria, and G for Geladium. So Porphyra, Polysiphonia, Geladium, Gracilaria are the examples of red algae. The second group of plants are Bryophytes. The code is Monopoly and Spa, both are funny. M for Marchantia, which is liverwort. We can see the gemme here. And these are the reproductive structures of Marchantia: Anthridiophores and Archegoniophores. Next is Rixia, which also comes under liverwort only, Bryophyte. And Poly for Polytrichum, which is called moss. And Sphagnum, which is called peat moss, and this is Funaria, common moss. So these are the examples of Bryophytes. For Pteridophytes, the code is Please Pteridophytes. L for Lycopodium, and S for Salvinia and Selaginella. Salvinia, Selaginella are examples for heterosporous Pteridophytes. All Pteridophytes are homosporous except this Salvinia and Selaginella. And P for Pteris, which is common fern. Dryopteris, which is woody fern. Ediantum is walking fern. Horsetail, Equisetum, and Silotum are also the examples of Pteridophytes. Coming to Gymnosperms, the mnemonic is GSCCUP. G for Ginkgo. It has simple lobed leaves. We can see here beautiful leaves of Ginkgo. Then S for Sequoia, tallest tree of Gymnosperms. And C for Cycas. We can see the cycas tree here. This is male cycas since it's showing a big cone at the center. Here is a cone of cycas, the male reproductive structure. And C for cedrus, which is called deodar palm tree. And P for pinus, cone-shaped tree. And angiosperms are of 2 groups called dicots and monocots. The monocot is grass. Thank you.